What's up guys, back with another video. I just uploaded a video, family interruption, because they're interrupting my video. But today I'm going to be making a video. SML but with different, puppets. SML but with different puppets. Okay, so let's get right to it. I don't know where I put my phone, so just get right to it. Y'all can see it. Hey guys, where's the Leo? Hey guys, sorry I'm late. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, nothing. What? I know, right?
Hey, cut this short. You even eat?
I'm not hungry.
You've been just sitting back and making YouTube videos.
Duh.
Crazy.
Everybody has to get out the house because there's cockroaches. Are you leaving too? No, nothing's gonna stop me from watching Cody the freaking goat freaking fish. Okay. You're watching Cody the Goldfish. Hey, Batman. Hey, Batman. Hey, Batman. Oh, I like this song. This song's so cool. It's hippity hop, hop, hop. Hippity hop, dippity pop. Everybody gotta clap before they pop. That's for today's shows. I know today's show was really short, but I promise you, the others are gonna be like a movie at the movie theaters. Oh, that was a good show. Cody, the freaking goldfish. Oh, that was a freaking good show. Whose house can we go to then? We can go to my house. Oh, sure, yeah. Okay, let's go to my house. This is your house? Yes, this is where all the magic happens. Did you live, somewhere in my house? Yeah. No, I want to go inside my house that is not in my house. Why you live in my house? Well, sometimes I sleep in your house. But sometimes I sleep in my house. do it about you. Okay, let's go to your house. Okay. Really? Yes. It looks boring to me. What the? Yeah. Your house is blue. It is not. How's a bunch of people out there? This is my grandma's party. Let me listen to some music. Everybody do it. Everybody do it. Everybody knows that music is boring nowadays. I want to play some fun game. Okay. Today's a fun game. Hey, Bob, we're going to pick a fun game. Okay, this way. I'm going to play Tag the Red. I think I need something to touch. Because my phone is working out. Guys, I know my video sucks. I'm gonna try to make it. Okay, let's go back. Sorry for that interruption, guys. Yeah, sorry for it. I expected video. Okay, I'm in. What you got? No good. I gotta hide. Where can I hide? Behind the picture. Duh. Where do I hide to? Where should I hide? Why you can't? I would need to hide too. Where could they be? Where could they be?
Okay, what did you
Ah,
do with myself? What you do with myself?
I'm making it as a mountain. Now can you stop and stop? Now please.
Give me my sword. They'll play like that. And get the other sword. Get the doll if you want to play with them.
Those are not dolls, they're puppets. And I do not need that doll. I just need these.
Okay. Play with the berry knife, okay?
I am.
And don't let me see you play with the moon, okay?
You don't tell me how to play with toys. I was
So I showed you the egg.
You don't tell me how to
Look
act.
at my hand. Come on.
No, it's right. I'm hanging. I'm done. Okay. Sorry, you didn't get to see we ate that ham. That ham was delicious. Like straight. Yeah, this is really boring, dude. You wanna watch some TV? Yes, watch some TV. Watch some TV on guys. TV doesn't work. Oh, yeah, he's out there. Oh, God. Got him right down here. And we're going to go. I take you down. What is my dad doing? Anyways, let's go. Sorry guys, I'm not good at YouTube, okay? I suck at YouTube. I freaking suck. I suck. I suck. I suck. I suck. Okay, I freaking suck. I forgot YouTube. You didn't see when we got the day. You didn't even see when we got to when our dad came to our friends. Yeah, I forget. But those 3 subscribers, thank you the freak you. Thank you so freaking much. Thank you so the freak much. Now, let me go back to the video. Dude, I know my house is boring. That's the end of the video, guys. Yeah.